Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurina Diasurani. My student number is 118 and I am from class F. Here, I will give an explanation of poem analysis with the title I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud by William Wordsworth. I wandered lonely as a cloud. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched in never-ending line along the margin of the bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay in such a jocund company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what well the show to me had brought. For oft, when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude, and then my heart with pleasure fills, and dances with the daffodils. And now I will explain the three outstanding elements in that poem. The first one is rhyme scheme, the second is assonance, and the third is simile. 1. Rhyme scheme. We can see that the poem has a unique pattern of rhyme scheme. The first and third line has a same rhyme. The second and fourth line has the same rhyme, and the fifth and sixth line also has the same rhyme. So we can say that the rhyme scheme is A B C C. And each stanza of the poem has the same rhyme scheme. For example, we can see in the first stanza and the last stanza. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. A B C C. And also the last stanza, for oft, when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills, and dances with the daffodils. It also has the rhyme scheme A B C C. The second is assonance. Assonance is the repetition of vowel sounds such as A, I, U, U, E, and O, used in the poem. For example, when all at once I saw a crowd, repetition of A sound. A host of golden daffodils, repetition of O sound. Beside the lake beneath the trees, repetition of E sound. They stretched in never-ending line, repetition of E sound. 10,000 saw I at a glance, repetition of A sound, which is the bliss of solitude, repetition of I sound. And the last one is simile. Simile is one of the phrases type that used to compare one object to another object. It can be seen by the use of word as or like, so it will easy to recognize. For example, in the first stanza, in the first line, we can see, I wandered lonely as a cloud. As here used to compare lonely and cloud. And in the second stanza, in the first line, we can see continuous as the stars that shine. Continuous here being compared to stars that shine using the word as. Thank you for your attention. I think enough for my presentation. I'm sorry if there is some grammatical error. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.